Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses Diagnostic Trouble Code P2279, which indicates an intake air system leak specifically in the Honda CRV model produced between 2011 and 2016. Understanding this error code is crucial for maintaining the optimal performance of your vehicle's engine. The code is related to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detecting discrepancies that could lead to inefficient air-fuel mixture, affecting engine performance. Thorough diagnostics allow for targeted troubleshooting, ensuring that any leaks or issues are identified and rectified efficiently. The resulting analysis and repair verification will also enhance fuel efficiency and help in meeting emission standards. DTC P2279 signifies an issue within the intake air system, crucial for managing the air-fuel mixture that powers combustion in the engine. The primary components affected by this code include the positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve, the PCV hose, the purge control solenoid (PCS) line, the throttle body, and the intake manifold. The brake booster and its connecting hose can also contribute to this error. These components are located strategically throughout the engine bay. The PCV valve connects to the crankcase, while the throttle body and intake manifold are integral parts near the engine intake. Any malfunction in these parts can create vacuum leaks, leading to this diagnostic trouble code. Several factors can lead to DTC P2279 being triggered. The most common cause is vacuum leaks found in various components such as the PCV valve, PCV hose, and the throttle body. These leaks disrupt the intended air-fuel mixture, causing performance issues. Additionally, damaged hoses or valves can further exacerbate the situation, leading to greater inefficiencies. Incorrect engine timing could also affect how air enters the system, compounding the problem, making it imperative to monitor these components during diagnostics. Each of these potential issues requires thorough investigation to avoid misdiagnosis and subsequent repairs. Drivers experiencing DTC P2279 often notice several distinctive symptoms. A significant decrease in engine performance may be observed as the air-fuel mixture becomes disrupted. Moreover, there is usually an increase in fuel consumption as the engine compensates for lost efficiency caused by the leaks. Rough idling is another common symptom as the engine struggles to maintain a consistent RPM due to inconsistent airflow. If these symptoms appear, it is crucial to perform diagnostic checks promptly to confirm the presence of any leaks and prevent further damage to the vehicle systems. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P2279 involves a thorough visual inspection for any potential vacuum leaks. This entails checking crucial components such as the PCV valve, PCV hose, purge line, throttle body, intake manifold, brake booster, and its associated hose. Each of these parts must be inspected for signs of wear, damage, or dislocation. Should all components appear undamaged and leak-free, the technician can then proceed to Step 2. Conversely, if any leaking parts are discovered, they must be repaired or replaced to resolve the issue effectively before advancing to further diagnostics. In this second step, it's essential to verify the problem further after ensuring all components are intact. Begin by allowing the engine to cool until the engine coolant temperature ECT sensor 1 reads 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius or less. Once this threshold is reached, the next action is to clear the Diagnostic Trouble Code using a Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool. After clearing the DTC, start the engine and allow it to idle for at least 10 seconds. During this time, the technician should monitor the onboard diagnostics (OBD) status for any reoccurrences of DTC P2279. which will help confirm whether the issue has been resolved or further investigation is needed. After conducting a thorough idle test, the next step involves examining the HDS for the status of DTC P2279. If the HDS indicates a failure, it suggests that the issue has resurfaced, necessitating a deeper inspection of the camshaft timing. Camshaft timing is integral to engine performance, as it controls the opening and closing of the engine's intake and exhaust valves. Adjusting the camshaft timing may be necessary to resolve discrepancies. On the other hand, if the HDS displays a pass status or indicates an intermittent failure, it suggests that the system functions correctly at that moment. In such cases, one may need to recheck for vacuum leaks across the previously mentioned components. The final troubleshooting step involves conducting a repair verification to ensure that the DTC P2279 has been properly addressed. Begin by turning the ignition switch to the lock position and reconnect all connectors that were previously detached during diagnostics. Next, turn the ignition switch to the on position and utilize the HDS to reset the powertrain control module, PCM. Following this, conduct the PCM idle learn procedure. Once the engine has cooled to a safe temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius or less, start the engine again and allow it to idle while monitoring the OBD status. Confirm whether the status shows passed, failed, executing, or out of condition to determine the next course of action. Upon concluding the troubleshooting and repair steps, it is vital to perform a final repair verification. This involves checking the OBD status once more for DTC P2279. If the HDS indicates a passed status, it confirms that the issue has been resolved and the vehicle is functioning optimally. Should there be any other pending or confirmed diagnostic trouble codes present, the technician must revert to the respective troubleshooting procedures for those codes. This ensures comprehensive vehicle maintenance and aids in identifying any further issues that may affect performance or compliance. Ensuring the reliability of each component will help in delivering a vehicle that meets performance expectations. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid future occurrences of DTC P2279 and to ensure the longevity of the vehicle's engine. Regular inspections of critical components, such as the PCV valve, hoses, and other elements of the intake air system, can help identify potential issues before they escalate. Additionally, routine checks of the vacuum system are important to maintain optimal engine performance. Maintaining clean hoses and valves free of debris is also vital, as contaminants can lead to vacuum leaks and other complications. Engaging in these preventive practices fosters a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance, ultimately leading to reduced repair costs and prolonged engine life. In conclusion, addressing DTC P2279 is vital for maintaining vehicle performance and efficiency. Thorough diagnostics play a pivotal role in uncovering the underlying issues that trigger the code, allowing for targeted repairs. Additionally, understanding the roles of various components within the intake air system helps in effectively identifying possible causes of any leaks. Promptly addressing identified leaks not only enhances immediate vehicle performance, but also contributes to long-term maintenance health. Engaging in preventive measures can significantly alleviate future issues, ensuring your Honda CRV remains operating in peak condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.